have shadows everywhere and every like my graphics are on max right now. I might actually check it. I don't know if it's reset.
I really yeah, I'm with you.
Nah, this shit is crazy, bro. Oh my god, bro! Oh my god, bro! Oh my god! Yo! Yo, XDEFIANT is back, and in today's video, I will be showing you some of my favorite and most fun games from the original beta test. So, if you guys did not play in the last test, you can play this time from the 21st until the 23rd. But if you did play in the last test, you can play a day earlier from the 20th to the 23rd. So make sure you guys are there this time and play and check out the game. It is amazing. Make sure you guys watch until the end because there are a lot of clips that are insane aim clips and insane movement clips that you will not see from other people. So make sure you watch until the end. Also, shout out to the people that still watch the videos because we haven't posted in God knows how long. So hey, shout out to you guys, shout out to the Noni gang, and I love you guys. Hope you guys enjoy.
Be firing.
Gotta love I threw my grenade and it bounced off the fucking wall. I love it. Get him out of here. I got shot through a wall. I love these things. Oh.
You kind of have like less FPS once you spawn, so then it goes back to normal. No way, you're not real, bro. The guy's playing the Yaku, like hard point. He just puts up a shield, so I can shoot him from far away.
For my clip, no one pushed me, Kime. Oh, Kime is just us two now. Down, my boy.
Right.
And when this all goes away, I'm probably dead, but till then.
Yo, he cheated, bro. Why is he lagging?
Oh my gosh. Am I alive? Am I alive? Am I alive? Am I alive? I'm alive.
Average XDEFIANT match, by the way. Hold that.
Average XDEFIANT match. Bro, I don't know how I'm alive right now, but we eating, bro.
We eating good.
I'm backing up, fuck it. Get me out.
I have a shield here.
Yo, this is crazy. I have a lot of ammo and I don't know how, but fuck it. God, this is crazy. This is crazy. About to have ults again.
This guy's the
Backing up.
Hold on, I have my ult. My shield up.
I'm gonna need another gun soon though, bro. Yo, you wanna low-key let them up, bro? You got 30 seconds left.
Yeah, if you want to.
I'm backing up. I'm backing up.
I'm running away. So, come here, behind me, turn her. Look at the spot.
Yo, what?
This spot,
Since
look,
when?
you can get up here and hold and just look. You can literally get up on like the little ledge right there.
This is crazy.
Yeah, a lot of people don't know that they added these in. A lot of maps have been changed. They've added a lot more like flank spots like this.
Come on, touch the point. Touch the point.
Flank them.
Touch the point.
You're gonna touch, right?
Thank God, thank God. Let them get it, let them get it, let them get it.
When they get points in, I'm gonna ult them.
Say less.
Them and just ult and just shoot them, okay?
Say less. Yeah, this is so toxic. I was about to shoot him.
Don't you turn around.
Teammates die. Yes. Move up. Go. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Oh my gosh. Bro, stop healing, damn it. That was crazy. They're spawning in front of us, bro. They're spawning in front of us. Oh, one behind. I need his weapon. I don't have any ammo. Please, thank you. AK. Yes. Bro, this is crazy. This is crazy, bro. Give me this MK. No! Time.
I hate burst heal, man.
Killing me. Can't even hit this guy, bro. Thank God my teammate was there.
I don't like the inconsistencies of getting somebody weak and then they're at fully speed. You know what I mean? I don't like it. I don't like the burst heals. I know it adds room for outplay, but also adds room to just you get one guy one shot and then he just burst heals. And it's like, shit, bro, you just did all that work for a guy to hit a keybind and now you retake that fight. You know what I mean?
No,
Like right there, I got 2 people weak. I killed one, and I went to peek for like 6. This guy's gonna take 1 bullet. You mean I just gotta win a like 1v1? I wouldn't have trouble, but no, they're both at full HP because the guy's stiff.
Yep. Crazy.
You know, when I use this game, I love it though. That's fun, but it ruins clips. That's my problem.
Yeah.
You can also make clips though. It's definitely a big good take.
Bro, where'd they go, brother?
5 starting shooting.
There they are. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of cheating and Cronus and aimbot comments on the last video I posted, right? And the fact that I have no name now, that's just gonna go up like tenfold.
Yeah, I love it, right?
Literally a glitched out, bugged out name.
Yeah, same.
Oh my God.
It's not because their name's too long, Zed. I think it's just because it shows like that. It shows the same thing for me. I was watching.
Tres, dos, uno, GG.
Good win.
That's fun.
That was hella fun.
Someone just said the fucking hard R in the lobby. What is going on?
Typical gamers.
Capture zone is
Bro, hit
ours.
push to talk and I just heard the fucking hardest R I've ever heard in my life.
It's not a real game if you don't hear the hard R at least 30 times, you know? That's how you know it's a good game.
Capture zone contested.
Where's the other kid at? I'm jumping down, motherfucker. Where you at? Oh shit, here they come.
This southern accent like 15 copies of the hard R.
Oh shit, bro, I get killed by a shield blast that quickly. He just ran up and bop bop. I'm like low-key frying this match. First game on.
I haven't even played 5 matches, bro, gonna lie.
Really?
First impressions, sliding feels a little awkward. It could just be my settings, but sliding feels slightly awkward.
Yep.
Gunplay feels cool. Low-key feels like my guns are doing as much damage as they should be, but that's fine. At least that's what you think until you realize that half the fucking characters in this game have 200 HP for someone broadly using.
Yep. But they did change the what do you call it? The heal character. He doesn't have passive healing anymore, so thank God.
Who doesn't have passive healing?
The heal character. It's just a burst heal now. Like they took out.
The bit pad?
Oh my gosh. Fucking I'm popping out here. Do not care. Do not care. We holding it bit down. We holding it bit down. Come on, peek me. Peek. He cooked that grenade. Oh, the shield bash is back. Let's go. Time said I can shoot his head. I cannot. He's a liar. I got lied to. Shoot his toes. Shoot his toes, teammate. What the fuck you doing? Oh my God, I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm not. Oh my God. No way. I'm not dead. Turn me up. Turn me up. Bro, these kids are different this week, lobby. I don't know what it is. Hello, please. Thank you. No way he's right here. Oh, no, 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 no. Please. God, thank you. Oh, people behind me. Thank you for cooking a grenade. Oh my God. Am I not dead? Oh my God, I have 6 bullets left. Next gun. Yeah, your passive is like your bullets burn people for like incendiary damage, which is kind of crazy. If you think about there's no passive healing anymore. I don't know why I just hit that. Okay, let's go. Wrong button. Yeah, I'm feeling good today, bro. Feeling good today. I don't know what it is. I'm gonna play when I'm tired more often. What the fuck? I just don't want to get shot.
No, all I'm saying is Quest streaming this game with 2,000 viewers, but when you pull up his fucking users list, there's only like 15 people in there.
Damn, he had 2,000. Okay. Have my ult, motherfucker. Have my ult. Have my ult. He has his ult too. That's crazy. Wait, hold up. If we don't get the objective, I can farm a lot of kills right now. Hold on. Hold on. Don't get the objective, my guys. I got 3 minutes on. Man, they're capping it. Dope. That's dope. That's dope. Definitely did not want to do anything. Thank teammates. I'll push up here. If I can move, that's nice. They capped. Oh my god. The final stat line doesn't even show my name for player of the game. That is.
Oh, are you out of your game?
Yeah, it just finished 33-7.